Here are some tips on how to make money without working. Sell items online. You can sell anything from clothes, handmade crafts, or even digital products online. Invest in stocks or other investment opportunities. Investing can generate passive income, but be sure to do your research before investing. Rent out property. If you have a spare room or property, you can rent it out to generate steady income. Participate in the gig economy. There are plenty of jobs available in the gig economy, like driving for a rideshare service or doing freelance work. Create and sell a course or ebook. If you have expertise in a particular area, you can create a course or ebook and sell it online. Affiliate marketing. Promote products you believe in and earn a commission for each sale made through your unique link. Rent out your car. If you have a car you don't use often, you can rent it out to others through services like Turo. Peer-to-peer lending. You can lend money to others through peer-to-peer lending platforms and earn interest on your investment. Remember, making money without working still requires effort and dedication. Find a method that fits your interests and skills, and be willing to put in the work to make it successful.